Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 18th, 2015. It's a fast moving month. February is always the stormiest, but thankfully the shortest month of the year because our Februarys are usually the worst time of year in terms of winter weather and in terms of weather in general. And the sooner you get through February, the better you are in the northern mid-Atlantic because then things start to improve. Now, March, you can always get your impressive storm here and there, but overall, you start to see some pretty drastic improvements after March 15th as the sun angle gets higher. So we're at the worst. We'll see how fast we get to milder conditions as we move forward over the next several weeks. This morning is anything but mild. It is frigidly cold out there, and you could see exactly where the fresh snowpack is over central New Jersey as temperatures are around 0 degrees in south central New Jersey, around 8 degrees in Atlantic City. As we get to our urban areas, we're around the lower to mid-teens, around 12 degrees in Philadelphia, 18 degrees around New York City. But then your northern interior, you're still in the single digits to single digits below zero, and right along the coastal waters in the single digits to lower teens. So overall, it is cold outside, with clear skies and light winds definitely allowing those temperatures to fall off dramatically. But the good news again with those light winds is that our wind chill is pretty stable, pretty much right around where our current temperature is, which is still cold, but could be worse. On our latest surface map, high pressure is in control, but we do have a very strong Arctic cold front racing towards our neck of the woods. That's right, more Arctic cold air is on the way, and that's going to lead to some snow squalls later on this afternoon and this evening, especially over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. These snow squalls will be capable of producing very strong winds, visibility below 2 miles, and brief bursts of very heavy snow. Not everyone will see them, but those that are impacted by them, just be prepared because they'll likely shock you with the intensity that they'll be able to produce. Think of it like this. This cold front is like what you would see in the summer, where you get some showers and then some of those strong thunderstorms. Pretty much the same type of scenario here, except it's in the winter, temperatures are below freezing, and thus you get snow. On our latest radar, you can see we're pretty much high and dry over the northern Atlantic, and you can see our Arctic cold front approaching with some of those snow showers and snow squalls over the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. On our latest water vapor satellite picture, you can see we have a nice southwesterly flow along the east coast, keeping our storm over the Atlantic out over the Atlantic. And you can see our Arctic cold fronts approaching from the west that will move through this afternoon and evening with some of those snow squalls. So let's take a look at our model guidance using the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. Again, for this afternoon, snow showers can be expected, some of them rather intense. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid-20s for highs. For tomorrow, high pressure will build in as our Arctic cold front rapidly intensifies over the Canadian Maritimes. Look for gusty winds from the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Low temperatures in the lower to mid-teens, high temperatures in the mid-teens to lower 20s along the immediate coast. Temperatures are going to feel like the single digits though with that strong northwesterly wind. Arctic high pressure will be in control on Friday with clear skies and very chilly weather conditions. We have low temperatures in the single digits throughout the region and high temperatures only in the mid-teens. Ladies and gentlemen, we should be in the mid-40s. That's about 30 degrees below where we should be for this time of year as this Arctic air mass takes hold. Now, this weekend's going to be very interesting. On Saturday, we'll have increasing clouds with an area low pressure approaching from the Tennessee River Valley. Look for periods of snow to develop on Saturday evening, and some of that snow could be heavy at times. It will mix over and change over to sleet, freezing rain, and finally rain by Sunday morning. So your temperatures on Saturday will start off in the single digits below zero to single digits above zero throughout the region for lows. High temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s as you head towards midnight, as that snow develops and falls throughout the region. Low temperatures on Sunday will pretty much be at midnight. in the lower to mid 20s. Then, as we move on through Sunday, as that warm front moves through, we'll have temperatures peak in the upper 30s to mid 40s as that warm air really drives through the region. As the cold front moves through on Sunday evening and Sunday afternoon with periods of rain, temperatures will free fall through the 40s, 30s, and into the 20s, so that by Monday morning we'll have low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s and high temperatures only in the lower to mid 30s. Now, one thing with this storm, the front end of the storm could produce some significant snowfall. We have to watch that very carefully. Then we deal with a period of sleet and freezing rain. The degree in which the cold air is eroded at the surface is a bit uncertain, so this could be a bit of a trouble point for us on Saturday night into Sunday morning. It could be more ice than what the models are currently showing, so we have to watch that very, very carefully. Arctic high pressure will take control from Monday afternoon on through Tuesday with cold weather conditions once again, low temperatures in the single digits, high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.